Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. Thanks for joining me. If you're new to my channel, please hit subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And everybody that keeps coming back, thank you so much. I just cannot say it enough. It really does mean the world to me. Please keep the comments coming and the thumbs up. When I get home from work and I see that, it just really makes my day. So I'm going to be doing a Dutch pour tonight, and I am trying it with the Flood Floetrol. I have never tried this stuff before. I've seen so many videos of everybody using it. I usually do my Elmer's Glue All in Water mixture, or in the last couple of months, I've been doing my Sergeant's Art acrylic pearlescent pouring medium. This has been my favorite stuff, but I've retired this just for tonight. Putting it aside, I've mixed fresh paint with this Floetrol. It's 50% acrylic paint, 50% Floetrol, and a little bit of water to thin it out because I'm doing a Dutch pour and it needs to be a little thinner. So fingers crossed, this is my first attempt with Floetrol. And it didn't smell bad. I know I've read comments before of people saying it smells like rotten eggs or something like that. I was worried when I opened this cap, what am I going to be surprised with? But really, it just smells like glue and water. It was totally fine, so I got lucky, I guess. So we've got a 10 by 10 canvas in front of me ready to go with the white acrylic pre-mixed, as well as 2 of the 5 by 5 canvases. So I'm going to be doing Dutch pour on all of them. This one I'll use my blow dryer. These 2 little ones I'll use my little airbrush. My favorite item I've ever bought off Amazon. If any of you want to treat yourself to something like this, cordless airbrush is the tool to use. If you want to do flowers or any detail stuff, this guy is amazing. Far better than using a straw. I think it was about $60 on Amazon. There is a link in my description. If you decide you want to check it out, click the link. If you buy something from Amazon from one of my links, I will get a tiny commission on a gift card from Amazon to replenish some of my stock. All right, let's start doing this. I have got Sergeant's Art, the liquid metals. I just got these in. So I'm going to do the purple and the red. It's again 50% acrylic paint, 50% Floetrol mixed in with a little bit of water. That's what I'm using. I'm also going to add a little bit of green, which is my light green from Arteza. And I've got a little bit of silver, which is Arteza's silver as well. Pre-mixed, let's do this. Okay, I'm going to first put down my purple. I think I'm going to fill this whole corner area with purple right here. And I'm just going to blow out this way. Then I'm going to do the red. I'm going to put a little bit of silver down. And a little bit of green. Okay, I'm going to make a little bit of noise with my blow dryer here and blow this out a bit. I'm going to put a little bit of white down just to make sure I have enough to keep this paint moving good. There we go. Okay. Bear with me for a sec here. Just going to blow this white in. I'm going to put my blow dryer down for a sec. Take a look at this. Ooh, got beautiful cells. So the Floetrol definitely creates cells. That's awesome. I'm going to add a little bit of green here and blow that out a little bit because I don't have very much green there. There we go. Now let's give this just a tiny bit of a torch. See if it adds any more details of cells. And I think I'm going to take my airbrush and just blow a little bit of that purple and white into that green. Love it. Okay, let's leave that sit for a minute. Now let's see if we can do something with this. I want to do purple here. Then red. And some green. And we'll do a little bit of silver. Now I don't think I need to add any white on there. It's a pretty small canvas. I'm just going to take my airbrush and see what we get. Okay, let me give that a little bit of a torch. We'll see what that one does. Okay, so this one I'm going to do the red down first. Then a little bit of the purple. Put some green. Let's do it a little bit differently. Some of the silver. Okay, let's blow this one out and see how we do. I put more paint down on this one, I think, so. I definitely put more paint down, so I'm going to add a little bit more to this guy. Loving this. Okay, I think it's official. I like the Floetrol. I definitely like the way the paint moves. Okay, let me give it another quick little torch. I'm really tempted to add more color in there. Yeah, I think I'm going to. It's been a quick video, so I can do this. Play around a little bit. Just get a little bit more color happening. And I think I'm going to put a little bit of green in too. Okay, I think I'm going to do airbrush instead of blow dryer. What do you think? Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Now, I wasn't really going for flowers or anything like that, but definitely could almost be a couple of flowers coming up there. Let me just look. I'm just going to throw some green down, grab my stick, and just see if I like it. My purple. And my red. Well, that made a little bit of a twist to a Dutch pour, didn't it? These are so awesome. I just love them. Here I am messing around with my paintings again. But when you see something, you just go with it. Okay, I think I need a little bit of purple in that one. Okay, I am officially done playing around with my Dutch pours, but I think it turned out beautiful. This is the first one. There we go. When it dries, it's going to be absolutely gorgeous. And this is the second one. There we go. Hopefully you get a good picture. It's just a small little one. So a Dutch pour with a little flower embellishment on top. All right, everybody. Thanks very much for watching. Guaranteed you'll be seeing me use this Floetrol a little more because I really enjoyed using it here for these. They're just gorgeous. Okay, remember, hit subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you'll know when my next video comes up. Tell your friends. Share on Facebook. Help a girl out. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. Thanks very much, everyone. Come back and watch another video.